Hey there, Jose here. Today I want to share with you the important and urgent matrix. This is a matrix I use in order to prioritize what it is that I'm working on and what I should be working on and what I shouldn't be working on. So I'm going to share this with you today. So let's take a look at it. This is what it looks like. It's very simple. It's just 4 quadrants. You can create one yourself and follow along, but what you'll do is you'll just create one horizontal line, and then in the middle of that horizontal line you'll just draw a straight vertical line so that you'll have 4 quadrants. On the far left side, you're going to write important on the top and then not important on the bottom of the horizontal line. And then across the top, you're going to put urgent on the left and then not urgent on the right. Once you do that, each of the quadrants, when you combine the words, will have 4 different meanings, 4 different sections, one for each one of your tasks. So all your tasks will fall into one of these 4 quadrants, every single one. So what you'll do then is take your task, take one task at a time, and you'll look at it and place it into these quadrants. And you'll start off here at the top left. So the top left is urgent and important. You'll look at your task and be like, is this task urgent? Meaning, is it time bound? Is there a sense of urgency that it has to get done? So there's a deadline to it. And is it important? Does it have to really be done? How important is it to be done? Why does it need to be done? If it's very important for it to be done and it's time bound and should be done soon, then you'd want to put that in the urgent and important. Not all tasks are going to fall into the first quadrant, so you'll move into the next one and the following one. So the next one would be urgent but not important. These are things that are time bound, have a deadline, but aren't just as important to you as something else may be. So it's urgent only because it needs to be done, because it's time bound and there's a deadline to it. Then you'll have important but not urgent. These are the things that are important to you that you want to really get done. They can help your business, they can help you, whatever it may be. But it's just not as urgent. So there's no deadline to when it is that you need to get this done. You just know that you need to get it done, so it's important to you, but it's not urgent where it needs to be done right away. And the last one is going to be the things that are not important and not urgent. So these are going to be things that you likely shouldn't be using your time with, and these are things that you should be delegating. They're just not that important, and they're just not urgent. Maybe they just have to be done, very mundane tasks. These are tasks that should likely be delegated, as I mentioned. So try to stay out of this area. These are the things that are going to go at the bottom of your list. A lot of times these are usually the easiest things, and we tend to put them at the top of our list. But once you've gone through your tasks and placed them in each one of these quadrants, what you'll do is you're going to start in the top left quadrant and work your way down and then over. So you'll work through urgent and important first, then urgent but not important, and then important but not urgent, and then finally not important and not urgent. Once you have all your tasks in this and you've gone through them and finalized that these are where they should be, you now have your list of tasks in order as far as the way that you should be tackling them, starting from the very top left. So you recreate your list, and that's how you're going to go ahead and tackle it, so you can make sure that you are working on the things that are most important and most urgent to you and your business, and the things that are not so important are being left for the end, and you're being more productive with your time by utilizing this practice. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, please go ahead and give it a like. And if you know of anybody that could benefit from it, make sure to tag them. And also feel free to share it with your audience so that they can also learn this process. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help and answer any questions that you may have. And until the next one, peace.